Welcome, Simply Drawn, helping you draw an open book for the next chapter. Start by drawing a vertical line down. Now we're creating our pages, so a lightly curved line to the right, and then a lightly curved line to the left, trying your best to keep them the same amount of curve and the same length. Lightly curving to the right and lightly curving to the left, trying to keep them even underneath the top lines. And now vertically connecting them to show the pages. So the book is now open. And do the pages, we're going to make like we're making a capital A, but don't finish it. Close the bottom to turn it into a triangle. Now these are the pages to the right. You're going almost to the edge of where your page ended and to the left. And now we're connecting. Those are the pages of the book that we've read and we have left to read. And now this is the binding. So we've connected it under the seam of the book, and now to the right and to the left. It's a hardcover book, it's pretty straight. And now we're making the cover extending out past the pages to the right and past the pages to the left. And here's my individual pages. It's a lightly curved, a little less curved, and a straight. And now to the other side, a lightly curved, a little less curved, and a straight. That's helping to show those are the pages in the book. I'm writing the word chapter here to signify we're changing to the next chapter in our lives. You could write anything here, and you may want to write in pencil first to make sure you have enough room. And I'm giving it the number 24 for the next year. This is a good stopping point, but you could choose to add color as I do here.